So the first dish I was ever able to order in Chinese was 鸡肉干面. When I'm back home in Canada, I just wish I could have these noodles. These are my favorite noodles of all time. So Carson and I have both spent quite a bit of time in Taiwan, but we don't really brag about our Chinese skill. There's absolutely no problem ordering the noodles and chowing down the noodles. The only issue we're gonna have with our Chinese is talking to the lao ban, the bosses, the cooks.
Yeah, my Chinese is pretty bad.
But anyway, we're giving it a go. 鸡肉干面。
鸡肉干面一个。
对。
啊，谢谢。
这里。
谢谢你。So we have noodles, chives, we have chicken, we have tomatoes, cabbage. That's so good.
I don't know how you guys eat it so fast.
What do you mean?
Like, you're always done waiting for me.
Because it's too delicious. Oh, and they have some like vinegar.
Yeah, I don't like that. That's spicy.
可以，这个醋 vinegar 醋跟辣，对，可以加
进去
对一点点，你喜欢？
我很爱。
对，我们的中文非常不好，
我们的英文也不好。
没关系，可是我最喜欢
鸡肉干面。
鸡肉干面，对。
因为说面是哈嘎的，
对，面是哈嘎，油葱那个味道、口味，客家早面。
客家，
对。
客家这个哈嘎，
对哈嘎。
对这个
台湾哈嘎。
鸡肉也是吗？
没有鸡肉不是自己搭配进去，自己，我知道快点，自己搭配进去的。皮克伊尔喜欢吗？
我没吃过。
你试试看，我们的跟别人的不一样，自己卤，自己做。
It's my first time eating pig's ear.
It's not bad.
干面
可以，都可以，
都可以。
加一点点这个，
啊，一点辣。
沾一点点。很辣哦。
海河。
Very spicy. Yeah, it's not bad.
好吃，对，
好吃哦。
对
QQ，
嗯
QQ，
猪耳朵它也不行。
才好。
还好。
Carson's eating pig's ear. I never thought I'd see the day.
Right?
That's the last time you're gonna eat it.
This will be the last time I eat it. But...
I thought you were gonna die of scurvy one day.
Yeah, probably.
那你敢吃皮蛋豆腐吗？
皮蛋豆腐。
皮蛋。
我不知道，
他不喜欢臭臭的，
是
臭豆腐。
皮蛋。
我很喜欢这个蛋。
卤蛋。
我很喜欢卤蛋。
它叫卤蛋。
这个 very good。
我就跟他讲他不喜欢，因为他不喜欢臭豆腐，所以他不喜欢。
不好意思。
这个你不要。好吃。你有吃过吗？
我们是毛很多。
毛很多。
你知道？
我知道。毛没有。
Yeah, you and I are like the most fussy eaters.
哦，
对。
不会。
对，就是这个 super 非常好。
这个好吃，你要不要吃吃看？皮蛋加豆腐。
下次。
妹妹皮蛋豆腐。
No，没关系，下次。
换你好。
一口。
下次。现在
做一口。
哦。
I won't eat it.
好吃，黑墨鱼，黑。
I won't like it.
Wow.
It's not gonna be me.
皮蛋豆腐。
No.
Okay.
OK 吗
Okay.
How do you say pork floss?
肉松，拿那个
中文是什么？
皮蛋。no 抽蛋 ，very good。
You have the two fussiest foreigners in all of Taiwan. And we come here because these are the best noodles
Yeah, that's true.
that I've ever had. And now we're gonna try some tofu mixed with pork floss, mixed with a black egg.
I think this is what they call it. In English, we call it 1,000 year old.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
好吃。
不错。
对，不错，对。
不错。 我们毛很多，所以这个不错。
毛很多要吃一点点。
All right, let's try.
不爱，
他直接吞了，他不喜欢。
你们也用那个 Uber 吗？
有
5个，
这个咸的吗？
之前没有，以前没有，今年才有。星期一到星期五，
星期六、星期天休息。
谢谢你们，
不会，谢谢。
你们最好的。
没有，谢谢。